Hi class, today we are going to be playing a tagging game. Does anyone know how to play tag? Good, that is how you play tag. So today we're going to talk about some skills that we really need to remember while playing tag, whether you're the chaser or you're the one being tagged, okay? So today we're going to play a game called Band-Aid tag, which is a little different than regular tag. But before we get into that, I'm going to show you how we need to act and demonstrate the roles of the fleer and the chaser. Okay, so the fleer is who's going to be running away from the person who's tagging, and the chaser is going to be the tagger, or who's it. Okay, so when you're chasing, we need to remember to run on the balls of our feet. Okay, so the balls of our feet are right here. Okay, so when we run, we need to make sure we're using those balls of our feet. Okay, so that's a tip that our chasers need to remember. Okay, and so for our fleers, what we need to know is whenever we're running, we're going to keep our feet further apart than we usually would. Like this is how we stand, right? Right, okay, so whenever we are fleeing, we're going to keep our feet further apart from each other so that it's easier to spin this way or spin this way to get away from that tagger, okay? All right, everybody stand up. We're going to practice this real quick, okay? So we're all going to be chasers right now. So everybody get on the line. Now let's pretend we're chasing, okay? Let's run, okay? All right, let's make sure we're using the balls of our feet to run, okay? Good. Everybody come together. Now, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna practice those moving side to side when we're running, okay? So everybody spread out, and let's practice doing this with our legs apart, okay? Make sure these legs are apart, and we're gonna go back and forth. Okay, so let's run this way first, okay? Start on this leg and go this way, okay? Good. Now let's go this way. Now you're gonna use this foot, okay? So see, keeping these legs apart helps you move in different directions instead of just straight, okay? All right, awesome. So now I'm gonna explain how we're gonna play our new game of tag called Band-Aid tag, okay? So in this version of tag, everybody's it. All right, I know that sounds crazy, but everybody's gonna be it. So everybody can tag everybody. So whenever somebody comes up to you and tags you, you're gonna use one hand and cover where they tagged you, okay, like a Band-Aid, all right? Now you can still play, so we're gonna keep going, and if someone tags me here, I'm gonna put this hand here, okay? So now I got two Band-Aids, but I can still play. So we're gonna keep running, and if I get tagged another time, I gotta go to the hospital because I got too many Band-Aids, okay? So we're gonna use this spot over here in the gym. That's gonna be our hospital. So if you have to go to the hospital, we're gonna count to 10, all right? So I got tagged 3 times. I'm gonna go over to the hospital and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I can go back to the game, okay? So again, while we're playing, you wanna make sure you're running on the balls of your feet because you are the fleer, but you're also the chaser. So you need to be able to go back and forth to get your opponents, all right? So everybody, let's practice, okay? So if you get tagged right here, what are you gonna do? Good, we're gonna put our hand here. And what are you gonna do if you get tagged here? Good, we're gonna put our hand here, all right? Now, if I get tagged one more time, what do? Right, I go to the hospital and I count to 10. Good job, okay. Now everybody, let's get up and let's start. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, go. After 5 minutes. Okay, good job, boys and girls. Let's all come and sit together. All right, now I was watching y'all play, and a lot of us did really well with running on the balls of our feet and tagging and moving back and forth between people. We did great job. Some of us still need a little help with that, but that's okay. We're gonna figure it out. We did great job today. I'm very proud of everybody. I did observe and we did great. Good job.